Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to change the background color in Adobe Illustrator. In this method, we will change the background color of the document from the document setup options. We will understand the process in deeper detail with the steps given. So first, launch Adobe Illustrator. Open a document by clicking on File, then New. Then, a dialog box will appear. Select the necessary details about the document properties and click OK. Next, click on File, Document Setup to open the setup properties of the document. As soon as the document setup opens, click on the Simulate Colored Paper option in the Transparency and Overprint options. This option will enable us to see the background color on the document itself. After this, click on the box below as shown in the image. The box will open the color palette for use. Once the color palette is shown, select any color of your choice to set as the background color. Click OK. After this, click OK again on the Document Setup dialog box. The color model of the document can be modified from the File menu using the Document Colored Mode option. And that's it. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.